Hi guys, a blessed Sunday everyone, and welcome back again here on our channel. The baby, babae na tay. Those are two babies. That's the latest babies, and the baby Budgie girl is what do you call this one? Disabled. Inborn. Look at his left leg. She can't hardly walk. She just came down. Look at her, very poor baby. You can't walk, huh? You can't walk properly. We tried to put these pieces of cloth. Tatay cut it into small pieces and put it inside there, but apparently the second budgies just throw it out here because we saw 3 eggs on the ground. We saw 3 eggs on the ground, so that's the eggs from the second budgies. Look at her, very poor little thing. Tay, ibutang na siya diri tay. Oh. Look at the other baby, the blue one that I take a video few days ago. It's inside there. Oh, ouch. My left arm, it's like very heavy. We had vaccine yesterday, first dose Pfizer. So my arm and Tatay's arm it's like very heavy to raise.
Ano tayo pinamit eh, no?
So we now have 6 birds. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you once again for watching our videos. Have a blessed Sunday again, and please stay safe, everyone. Love, 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 love you all.